Good morning and welcome to your Daily Sparks. You know, when the moon shines, it's actually reflecting light from the sun. Sometimes the earth gets in the way, and that's why we have crescents of moons, because the earth is blocking some of the sun which is being reflected off the moon. In a similar way, the enemy tries to prevent us from reflecting the light of Jesus Christ in our lives. And that enemy is called the world. So sometimes the world gets in the way of the sun so the moon can't reflect it, and sometimes the world gets in the way of us so that we can't reflect him. When John talks about loving the world, he's not talking about a planet Earth, of course. He's talking about the organised system that Satan has. The world is not just the physical world that we see, it's the system that he has devised. It's all of the stuff that we see going on steroids, because we know that behind all of the stuff, all of the political correctness and the woke and all that sort of stuff, is Satan himself. So what does the world offer you? Well, it promises to satisfy legitimate desires in illegitimate ways. So, for example, the lust of the flesh. Eating is legitimate, but gluttony is worldly. Sex is legitimate, but immorality is worldly. The second thing, the world tempts you through your mind through what your eyes see, which is called the lust of the eyes. The biblical word for this is covetousness. We're desiring and pursuing that which is not legitimately for you. The third thing is the pride of one's possessions, the pride of life, as the Bible says. That is living to impress others. What those in love with the world forget, however, is that the world with all of its lusts, lust of the flesh, lust of the eyes, the pride of life, it's all passing away. It's all fading away. You're just passing through right now. What the world can offer you is nothing compared to what God can offer you, because what he offers is eternal, and what the world offers you is only here for a short time. You're just passing through. What they offer is transient. What he offers you is permanent and forever. The price tag for loving the world is the loss of personal intimacy with God. The price tag for all of those sins which seem so quote unquote legitimate now could be the cost of eternity. Be careful what you let into your life today. We'll see you tomorrow on Sparks.